Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Another thing is that how can you suppose that animal killing is not sin?
Yes.
Comment justifier que tuer les animaux n'est pas péché?
Que les animaux n'est pas péché.
Que tuer
tuer les animaux n'est pas péché.
How do you justify it?
Yes, because we thought that there is a difference of nature between life of man, life of spirit, and biological life. And we think that all the creation of animal and of plant is given by God to the man to help the man in order to realize his vocation. Himself, Your Grace said that only the spirit is real beings, and the remain is appearance, and not really exists. And we think so. We think that animals, plants, are not real beings, are world of appearance, and that a human person only is real being. And that, in this sense, the material world is without importance.
Now, I follow. Suppose you are living in this house.
Yes.
So, you are not this house. That's a fact.
Yes, yes.
But if I come and break your house,
Yes.
is it not inconvenience for you?
Yes, surely. Surely it is inconvenient.
So if I cause inconvenience unto you,
Yes.
is it not criminal?
It is inconvenient to me, but is...
No. If I cause some inconvenience to you,
Yes.
is it not criminal? Is it not sinful?
I think if there is a serious reason, it is not the destruction of the spiritual man himself. By example, it is perfectly possible to use of the reality of the material world, of the natural world, to the valuable finality of human vocation. We think that the question is a question of motivation. It could exist bad reason to kill an animal. But if the killing of animal is to give food to children, men, women, oui, ont faim, qui ont faim.
Yeah, actually.
Hungry. We are hungry. It is legitimate. We have. It is difficult to admit that in India, comment dit-on, les vaches.
The cows.
Oui, cows. It is not permitted to kill a cow to give to children who are hungry
From any other consideration, cow's milk we drink.
Yes.
Therefore she is mother.
Yeah.
Is it not?
Elle dit qu'on boit le lait des vaches et donc elle est notre mère, n'est-ce pas?
Oui, yes, surely. But
according to
yes,
Vedic version,
yes,
we have got 7 mothers. Adu Mata, the original mother.
yes,
Guru Patni,
yes,
wife of the master, spiritual master.
yes.
Can you understand? Et il dit que selon la vision védique, il existe 7 mères
Yes,
pour
yes,
la
yes,
femelle.
yes.
D'abord, la mère maternelle, naturelle.
Adu Mata, Guru Patni, Brahmani,
Yes.
the wife of the priest,
Troisièmement, Rajaputnika.
Yes,
the wife of king,
yes,
the queen. 4. Adu Mata, Guru Patni, Brahmani, Rajaputnika. Dhenu means cow.
yes,
Dhenu Dhatri, Dhatri means nurse. Tatha Prithi, Prithi means earth. These are 7 mothers.
yes, yes.
So, cow is mother because we drink milk, cow's milk.
Yes, yes,
How can I deny that she is not mother?
yes,
So how we can support killing of mother?
yes. Yes, it is a motive, but we see that
Therefore, in India, those who are meat eaters,
yes,
they are advised, that is also under restriction, advised to kill some lower animals
yes,
like goats, even up to buffalo. But cow killing is the greatest sin.
yes, 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 I know this, I know this. I know this. It is for us, enfin, a difficulty,
Yes, because cow is mother.
Yes, yes, it is such.
You take the milk from the mother,
Yes, yes.
and so when she is old, she cannot give you milk. Therefore, she should be killed.
Yes.
Is that very good proposal?
Est-ce que c'est une bonne proposition que quand la vache devient trop vieille pour donner du lait, on la tue?
Oui, oui, oui.
He says yes. He says yes, it is a good proposition.
If the men are hungry, it is the life of men is more important than the life of cow.
Therefore, because we are propagating this Krishna consciousness,
Yes.
we ask people to not to eat meat, any kind.
Yes, yes.
But if under certain circumstances you are obliged to eat meat,
Yes.
eat the flesh of some lower animals.
Yes.
Don't kill cows. It is the greatest sin.
Yes.
And so long one will be sinful, he will not be able to understand
Yes.
what is God.
Yes.
But human being, main business is to understand God
Yes.
and to love Him.
Yes.
But if he remains sinful, neither he can understand God
Yes.
and what is the question of loving.
Yes. Yes.
Therefore, at least from the human society,
Yes.
this cruel maintenance of slaughterhouses
Yes.
must be stopped.
Oui,
Il dit que parce que il est recommandé dans les écrits védiques que si on doit manger de la viande, c'est mieux de tuer des animaux inférieurs à la vache. Et donc ces abattoirs qui existent actuellement doivent être fermés si on veut avancer l'espèce humaine.
I think that perhaps this is not an essential point. I think that in this realm the uses of various religions can be good. The important is to love God, but the commandment practical can be various.
No, that's like God. If God says that you can do this,
Yes.
that is not sin.
Yes.
But if God says that you cannot do it,
Yes.
then it's sin.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.